Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 3, Open, in the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's get started. So to access this file feature, I have to left click on File and scroll down to Open. When I left click on it, it allows me to open up files within my Google Drive. I can search for them from here or look through my folders. I can also narrow my search by files that are shared with me, files that might be starred, that might be more recent, or that I might upload. And that is how I can open up a brand new file right from the Google Docs screen. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.